Mama, tama na mag-tutorial. I wanna change dress na.
Ang ganda naman ng yellow. Please, yan na lang muna.
Wala pa ako sinuot na violet dun eh.
Ay! You farted! Ano ba yan?
Oh, my loves, good morning. Samahan niyo kami today.
Okay na yellow?
I mean, gusto ko ito eh.
Paskin natin muna yung purple, okay?
Okay po.
Ayan, susunduin na namin si Katie. Oops, teka lang, mag-ano ka na dyan pala. Kakanan ka na. Kakanan ka. Oh, ayan, di ba? Video pa more. Dito, kakanan ka dyan. Kakanan ka dyan, di ba?
Alam ko, dito sa ilog.
Ayan, video pa more. Mali-mali. Doon lang sa parang eskinita. Katie, tara! Ayan na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Isa pa.
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile? Oy, wait, kiss! Diretso na daw tayo. Ano, hindi ba?
Kaya. Oh, where are we going? Hindi ko alam yung daan dito.
Diretso siguro.
Alam mo?
Ata. Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Saan ba yung back mo yan? Ano yung masakit sa'yo ngayon?
Wala po.
Ay, wala.
I think konti isa ba?
Konti sa back. Where?
Ay, gusto ko naman pa kayo ngayon.
You need to tell doc. Saan masakit? Konti. Ay, dito. Lower back.
Huwag dito kasi
Mama din eh. Sakit ng lower back. Pag, di ba? Can you tell doc? Sakit ng lower back ni mama ko.
sakit ng lower back kagabi ni mama.
Pero ikaw masakit din?
Konti lang po.
Ay, Miss Katie.
So, guys, you're back, huh? How are you? Nice.
Hello, doc.
Hi.
Kami mag...
May pahag siya pa.
Okay, so we're gonna do another Cairo adjustment, huh?
Ano yung masakit sa'yo, Katie? Lower
Back
back?
is hurting.
Konti lang daw po.
Okay, let me go on that side.
Ano mo? Yan, nagkata. Yan, here. Kamay.
Okay, ready?
1, 4, 3.
Yeah. First, we'll do a little bit here. Actually, we can do it a different way. Yeah. Let's just do the lower right. Let's go this way. Face me on your side.
Face ka.
There you go.
Oops, here. Dito. Ay, tumidikit mo.
Side for side. Maybe scoot down. You're a bit high. Yeah.
Ay, Katie. Parang,
There you go.
gusto mo pa ako.
Maybe.
Ano nangyari? Side lang, anak, side. Yan.
Yeah, this comes up. Good. That's great. There you go. Okay, right here. Let's breathe in. And exhale. Better. Exhale.
Exhale.
Okay, keep that straight.
Kaya mo yan.
This comes up. Good. Good. Okay, let's go the other way.
You have to breathe. I breathed earlier. Yeah.
Okay, this is straight. Good. Closer. That's straight.
Inhale, Katie.
Okay, let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Good. Oh, now our body weight moves.
Inhale. Exhale.
Natanto ba ko?
Exhale.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Shorter and then the lumbar elbow.
Thank you so much,
You're
Doc.
welcome.
Can you hug me?
Group hug.
Group hug? Group hug? Bakit si Doc la? Sali. Yan. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sarap.
Look at your mom when she's aside like that, huh?
Breathe. Exhale. Good. Okay, let's go face up.
Laway.
Good. Okay. Still to your back, huh? Back. Oh, good. Good.
Sige.
Don't be tense, baby.
Tama.
Okay. That's how I'll do it.
Sige, lower back.
Okay, lower back here, huh?
Katie.
Let's breathe and exhale. Good. There's one. Now we'll do here. Let's go towards me on your side. Okay, up. There we go. We're gonna put this here on the elbow. Great. Right here. Let's breathe and exhale.
Ooh.
Okay. Nice turn.
Mr. Bean.
Let's go. You just arrived?
I just arrived, yeah.
Last night?
I got back,
This is like a little stiff. A little bit. Okay. Let's just do this one. Okay, good. There's still a lot more here. Let's relax the shoulders. There we go. That's better. There we go. Okay, you're ready. Good job.
Ang ganda naman ng dress. Hindi ko yung na-picturean. Katie, diretso na tayo kay Doc Rob.
Diretso na?
Upo.
Yes.
Kala ko 1 p.m. pa rin.
Sir, that's the first we started the day. Because you went face up. Oh.
Kaya, ikaw yung nag-start mag-isa.
So that's. We'll just go. I'll just take what you can get. Okay. Okay.
Ikaw naman pala.
So what I've been having lower back pain.
Yeah, your hip is really off.
Lower back.
So let's go this way.
Aging.
Usually we do this. Well, airplanes and different beds and all the work, all the stress, it accumulates. Good. Relax. Okay, let's go the other.
Okay.
There. Okay. Breathe. Exhale. Good. Face up, face up.
Face up?
Yeah. Just like that. So now much better. Yeah, earlier it's like shorter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Short.
The hip is off, so the hips rotate, create a short. Yeah. Not that you're short.
Short legs.
Leg goes a little shorter. Yeah.
Short legs,
That's
yes.
a little shorter, right? Okay, tapos na. You're all set.
We got the one down here too?
Yeah.
Yay.
The lower. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Katie, ba't ayaw mo kami? Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang?
I'll hug you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang? Ayaw mo ng group hug?
Eh, gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Ilang beses ka na nagpa-kayo?
Nagpahag.
Ay, kinakount mo.